Hey everyone, it's Adam here. I have some good news. On the Abba Skylift website, they don't indicate that the 690 Enduro or Husqvarna 701 Enduro are compatible with their Skylift. But I had a conversation with them, we discussed it, and they sent me some parts that I think it's going to work. So what they sent me is Fit Kit 111, which is, it's been through some shit. This kit is actually will fit, supposedly. There's the adapter there. It will supposedly fit right there. They sent me two adapters, one for each side, and we're going to install it. So I've got adapters for the GSA 1200, the F750, and we're going to try to install it here. Would you look at that? It works. So yeah, these two adapters, they go right in where the rear swing arm connects. You tighten it up. I have another Abba video on how to actually do this. It's the same on every bike, with the only difference being for a chain bike versus shaft drive, you just have this guy extended out and tethered off, and that goes in there and you're good. If that breaks loose, all that'll happen is the bike will go forward onto its front wheel. That's it. It's not going to fall. But yeah, you've got this here. It clears the pegs. That's what they were concerned about, is clearing the pegs. Actually, though, when I install the IMS Rally foot pegs, which I am sponsored by, so I got these for 50% off. No, it will not clear the IMS Rally foot pegs. That's another video. Yeah, so we've got the Abba Skylift holding the Husky 701 up. This is fantastic. It's going to change everything. Like, for example, if I had this, such a shame. This kit arrived a day after I sent the shocks in, the suspension in, to get serviced. And if that was like that, it would have been so much easier to remove the rear shock. It would have been so much easier to have the front forks off. So now that I have this is fantastic. I mean, I can basically tear down the entire bike in this setup. I love this thing. So now we have 3 out of our 4 bikes support the Abba Skylift. I feel like a dancing queen. So thanks for watching, guys. Quick video. Check out my other previous Abba videos if you're curious, but I'm not going to redo the whole thing. It's just really easy to use. And isn't this awesome? I can actually get to all the things now without having to like really crouch over. Oh man, this would have made the teardown video so much easier too, having this up. Because now I can just spin it. I can just spin it around. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Ride safe.